it's raining, so we can't go outside, and now we have to stay here because camping is not allowed. So we are going to take lunch here. We are just settling down, and let's see. Let's hope for the best. This is fig, right? This is fig tree. But in Singapore, it's not allowed to pluck fruits from the tree. It's not even allowed to collect the fruits lying on the floor. So you can just watch, see them, you can touch them, smell them, but you can't eat or bring home because these foods are for wildlife. So let them eat and survive together. Yay, the big one. Big one. The pomelo tree. And this is the star fruit. Kamranga. This is kamranga. Ooh. The kamranga moto, but this is not star fruit. This is different, but it's very neat. This side you can see the sea because we are on the hill, so that's why we can't. But right now, due to COVID, this is not allowed. This is very dark jungle, so she's scared. She doesn't want to go that side. So we are going to the seaside now, and here we go. So this is the butterfly hill, and we are, yes. So we are going to take lunch now. And we have this fermented rice, what we call panta, and then we have fried potatoes, some chicken curry, and we have some green salads. And now we are going to eat with raw onion. Everyone will have one slice raw onion, and then green chili, and this. Okay, so my baby also wants one, so for her a tiny one. And then we will add slight salt, for each. She will not have the chili, so the chili is only for me. And here you go for you. And bon appetit means.
Look, one fell down.
And it's raining, you know, outside is so nice. I like to eat with hand, but this young generation, they don't like to eat with hand. How normal come? and you can have pata ure asche. Okay bubu, aloo bhaja nebe? Should I put here or you want to take from here? এখানে দিয়ে দি? Okay, you can mix. আমি একটু হাত দিয়ে খেতে ভালোবাসি, আমি হাত দিয়ে খাবো। Very fermented food, and this is very healthy also. So we try to eat. Sometimes it's not possible to eat every day because after you eat you feel little bit drowsy sometimes. So when we are working we can't eat. So we try to eat few days, like on weekend, maybe Saturday, Sunday, some Saturday or some Sunday. Like today is Sunday. So that's why we are having this. Then maybe next another few weeks, we don't know. We just try as frequently as possible, and you should try too. We are enjoying a lot. So this is the Titli butterfly.
My name is Titli.
So this butterfly I brought from home, and this is Butterfly Hill. So you can find lots of different kind of butterflies here. Time it's going to be dark and it's tea time, but it's not tea, it's coffee. Garma garam coffee. Awesome. And it's so windy. Oh, I'm going to sit here. She loves coffee, my god. It's time to go back home, but it's raining, so we are quite happy that it's raining so that we can stay for a while. She doesn't want to go back. I also don't want to go back, but have to go back, right? See you soon. मुझको भिगो दिया, हाय मेरी लाज ने मुझको डुबो दिया, कैसे लगी चढ़े सोचो नहीं करी, क्या मैंने खो दिया, क्या मैंने खो दिया, चुप तो है बोल तू, संग मेरे डोल तू, मेरी चाल से चाल मिला, ताल से ताल मिला, ओ ताल से ताल मिला. Look at the sky.
So
So
nice.
beautiful. The cloud is like flying slowly, slowly.